Hello there, once again, Dr. Krish Bab here. Very refreshing breath of fresh air. The atmospheric air, which blankets this entire planet, contains nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases in minute quantities. The air is responsible for all the weather phenomena, as well as the photosynthesis in plants and breathing in all land organisms. Movement of the air is felt as a gentle breeze or wind. Breathing air in and out causes oxygen and carbon dioxide to be exchanged. This happens very well in deep sleep as well as in comatose patients. Ondine's curse in mythology simply means forgetting to breathe and instant death. Human metabolism produces so much carbon dioxide that the expired air contains 100-fold increase in CO2 levels. The air as an element has been described as the VAYU in ancient India and as the key in Chinese civilization. Various air gods are described in all cultures. Flying demons disgorging hot air and fire are replete in folklore. The first breath offers the taste of pure air for the baby, which lasts for a lifetime. Children are fond of outdoor airy games. Youngsters blow kisses in the air with prompt delivery and response as well. The earnest and the tired homemaker seeks solace under the air of the ceiling fan, while a husband has got air or wind problems. Homebuyers ask for airy and ventilated homes, while others want the air to be conditioned at home. Airborne diseases are the most commonest diseases worldwide, affecting millions on a daily basis. The recent COVID-19 exemplifies it. Air hunger is seen in heart and lung ailments, as well as in divers, swimmers, and runners. Air pollution also is the most commonest cause of worldwide ailment. It can be an ordinary allergy, cough, asthma, a wheezing attack, bronchitis, emphysema, lung fibrosis, and also lung cancer. The greatest air pollution tragedy has been the Bhopal gas disaster. Air power can be devastating in the form of hurricane, cyclone, and typhoons. Man-made air power can be equally devastating, like the fighter aircraft, Black Hawks, etc. Harnessing this air power is made possible by gas turbines, windmills, and air compressors. Compressed air has got hundreds of applications in the industry. Mountain air is thin air with less oxygen and the resultant altitude sickness. Mountaineers require pressurized oxygen support for their ascent. Aircrafts, spacecrafts have all pressurized air cabins for safety. The spacesuit contains oxygen, whereas a scuba diver breathes pressurized oxygen and helium mixture. Of recent concern and worry is the dwindling quality of indoor air. Almost everything is responsible. The floor, tile, wall, paint, vinyl, cement, carpet, rugs, kitchen smoke and heat are all responsible. Green homes, which are environmentally friendly, are becoming now more popular. The TV panel air their differences, while the anchor exhibits an air of superiority. The scare due to the coronavirus is in the air, whereas the fate of the economy is up in the air. Big fish scamsters always vanish into thin air. A failed airbag can land you up on the airbed. Airbus and Boeing are the largest manufacturers of airliners. The World Air Games are becoming more and more popular. iPad Air and MacBook Air are the most desired nowadays. Tackling the failing air quality starts from home. One less child, only electric vehicle, no air travel, going vegan and planting trees all go a long way in improving the quality of air. Finally, life spent without airing one's dirty linen in public allows them to lie in peace with an air of dignity shrouding them. Thank you for listening. Once again, do send your likes or dislikes, which will be appreciated. Thank you. See you again.